At 3 in the afternoon, when Jesus took his final breath, something impossible happened 60 miles away. Inside the temple in Jerusalem, a massive curtain tore in half. This was not ordinary fabric. The veil stood 60 feet high, 30 feet wide, and 4 inches thick. It separated the holy place from the most holy place, where God himself dwelt. For over 1,000 years, only one man could pass through this barrier, the high priest, once a year, with blood. But this curtain did not tear from human hands. It ripped from top to bottom. Only God could reach the top. At that exact moment, the high priest was preparing the evening sacrifice when he witnessed the impossible. The earthquake shook the temple foundations, but the torn veil declared something far greater. The barrier between God and humanity was gone, forever. No more priests needed, no more animal blood required, no more separation. The way to God was now open to everyone because of what Jesus did on that cross.